Hey guys, we're back here at Wander's newest Vail Valley location, putting the finishing touches on this project. Last time you guys saw us, we were in full renovation mode, and although it may not look like it right now, we're finally putting the finishing touches on and wrapping things up. Don't forget to comment, like, follow, and subscribe, and stay tuned to see the final walkthrough of Wander Vail Valley.
Today is December 19th. The house is going to be ready by latest Friday. Big push was made last night. We got that upstairs room pretty much done. We built our first Vail Valley desk setup, which is pretty crispy. Today, more cleanup, more tile, more art on the walls, and possibly more desks.
Charlie, what's up, my guy? YouTube misses you, dude. The comment section was going crazy.
We're working on desk number 2. This is the framework of the desk. We got a cable management box down there ready to go, and now it's time to put in the fixtures, as we like to say. We'll put in the little doodads. We take a lot of pride in these. We try to make them as perfect as we can for the guests so they have a seamless and easy experience.
All right, y'all, that's a wrap for Wander Vail Valley. Like and subscribe to see what's in store for 2023.